Hey guys, welcome to Inside Talk with Vedant. I hope you guys are learning and enjoying the WebdriverIO series. Today, in this particular part, I'm going to talk about page object. Like what is page object in a framework. So generally, say for example, this is what we have done so far yet, right? So if we want to create a page object, it will help us to build methods and our selectors to use it in a reusability format. Say for example, this is what we have implemented. I am on the Amazon homepage and I search for a mobile. Okay. So here, this particular XPath, right? So I have declared it directly over here. Say, read it as hard coded. Instead of that, what I want to do is I want to write a method which I can use multiple times. Say, for example, I have 100 of test cases. I don't want to, go and find this selector in the home page of the application using inspect element and get it. Rather than that, what I'll do is I'll declare a method for the particular this file, and whatever the pages files we create, right, we can use it directly over there. That's the main motto of having a page object, to make sure our tests are in an organized format. Let me show you how we can create a page object file and start implementing it. Okay, so this is our test file under which I have a future file as well. So what I'll do is inside this, I'll create a new directory or a folder named as pages. Okay, let me make it as caps over there. Okay, now what we can do is we'll create a file. Since it's a WDIO, it's completely built up JavaScript. So we'll create a JS file. So let us create a page object file for this. The naming convention, what we can do is we can use the same page name for which we are using this page object model. Say, for example, here I have marked this file as a login.future. So what I'll do is login dot, it's a pages file. We can directly mark it as JS as well. If you want, we can mark it as .page.js as well. So now I'm just going with JS. It's a JavaScript file we have created. So now this is the page object file which we have created. Now what we are going to do over here is we are about to build a class inside which we'll have the methods as a selectors. So let me declare that one first. Class. I'll declare reading as login. Okay. Open and close. Done it right. Now I'm gonna use get. Say for example, this is what we are gonna replace it. So it's a search box. So I'll name the method as search box method. Open it and close. Now it should return us this particular value. And the dollar symbol which I use is basically to use get element, and double dollar is get elements. Okay, that's a separate thing we'll discuss later. But for now, just to make you clear why I'm putting it over here, probably you can see that here as well, the dollar symbol, right? This one. So instead of that, I'm directly putting it over here. Return dollar of, and in single quote, what we are gonna do is we'll pass this. Okay, so this is done. And we need to put a semicolon over here. Even if not, it's fine. But yeah, let it be for now. Okay, so now once we have declared the class, we need, if we want to, use this class in other files, we need to export this class. So for that, what you can do is module, this particular module dot exports equal to the file name we need to provide over here. You can see that login, right? The one which we have created here. Now it's enabled. Yeah. So that's it. There's nothing else we need to. Similarly, if you place multiple classes, you need to export those things. So once we have exported this, so it enables us to import it from the other pages as well. Okay, so once it's done, we are going to our implementation files. Now the thing is to import this particular thing, right? We'll do that. Just like how we have imported this cucumber thing, we'll import that from that particular file. I'll just show you how it's kind of const. We need to import this login. This is a variable which we are declaring here, where it will be required. Require. Now I need to put that location. We are going to inside directory slash login.js. Cool. Okay, and now this is done. So the next thing would be to try if it's working. So where we can try that, we have imported as of now only the text box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm putting commenting this particular line, copying this, having the same thing over here, and just removing this particular part. Okay. So here what I'm gonna pass is inside the bracket, log in. So once you press the dot, it will start suggesting you the kind of methods which we have. So as of now, we have only one method, which is search box. Yes, done. So once this is done, this should work. Basically now if you click on this, it will take you to this particular. So basically it's working. So similarly, what we can do is we can replace everything over here and make sure our program is clean and it's working in the page object model. Just to try it out, I'm just saving this and running. We can verify the same. If it's entering the if it's clicking on that particular search box. It should click over here. Yep, it clicked. So it is basically a test is working. So instead of directly hard coding things, we have use this particular thing. Similarly, I'll try for one more thing just to make sure you guys practice this more. I'll take this particular thing to enter a value over here. To enter text, basically it has a text value. So you can declare one more method as text. This makes sense, right? Search box text. Return single dollar and our XPath. It could be either XPath or CSS or whatever you are currently working on. But since we're using it over here, so now you see, this is being used in one particular place. If you click on this, it will go over there where it is being used. And similarly, this has been declared, but not yet implemented. So we will implement over here. We need to remove this specific thing. Double bracket. Now login, right? Login dot. So there are two methods which we have declared. And now I'm entering this search box text, saving the file, running the command npm run WDIO for now, since we haven't declared any multiple feature files. So now it should enter the value. It should set the value for us over there. Yes, it has entered the value for us. So basically what I'm trying to say is the whole idea of page object thing is, so once I have identified and saved these methods, I can use this multiple times rather than go finding it and the inspect element thing every time in the DOM and then using it. So it overall it clears your framework. It allows the user to have a properties automation framework. So that's all for this particular video. I'll come up with more topics in the upcoming videos. Do make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I hope this makes sense and this helps you learn. If you have any feedback, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And even if you like it, just let me know. Since I'm putting a lot of effort, it will help me understand that people are actually watching videos completely. Thank you guys. Do subscribe to the channel and do give us a like if you like it. Thank you.